Hello guys, welcome to another video. Today in this video, I will be showcasing a cat box fort that I made for this cat and my 3 other cats, because I have 4 cats. So here's my cat Norman, and then inside, so we have that here. And right here, there's a window, which my wall is blocking it right now. But there's a bunch of toys. There's toys for my cats. And then there's a hole up there that leads up here to the 2nd story, which there's those. But then I left this one right here, this board. I cut that off so they could look out the top. So I'm calling that the lookout tower, and it's for the cats. This one I haven't put this paper around it yet, but this is the other room. And then right there in that, there's a hole that leads to this box. And then it leads here, and then there's the scratching post thing, and my cat likes to sleep here, one of them, as you can see. So that's it for this video. This is part 1 of showcasing the fort, and yeah, so if you want to see part 2 where I add more stuff to the fort, then stay tuned till the next episode. Hope you guys enjoyed the video, and goodbye.